In this video, I'll show you how you can see shadows from HDRIs in Blender using the Eevee rendering engine. So I have a plane here with a cube on top of it, and I'm going to change the render engine over to Eevee. So I'm now going to add an HDRI, so I'll go to the world properties, I'll click on the yellow dot here, choose environment texture, and then open a texture. And I'll be adding in this HDRI right here, the abandoned game rooms HDRI from polyhaven.com. I'll have a link in the video description to it. So if you go into the rendered view, you can see that there isn't really any shadow underneath the cube. Whereas if you're using the Cycles rendering engine, there would be a bit of a shadow there. So to fix this, what you need to do in Blender Eevee is you need to go over here to the render properties and you need to turn on the ray tracing. So just check mark the ray tracing, and now you can see there is a small subtle shadow underneath the cube. Now this HDRI is a pretty soft HDRI, so even with Eevee or Cycles, the shadow is going to be very soft underneath the cube. So let's add another HDRI. And this time I'll be adding in this one right here, the abandoned hopper terminal HDRI. I'll have a link in the description to it. So you can see here it is in the Cycles rendering engine. So because there is this really bright sunlight here, it's an outdoor scene, there's this really sharp shadow. However, if I go to the render properties and change this over to Blender Eevee, you can see that the shadow has disappeared. So to fix this, we need to open up the sampling in the Eevee engine, and we need to check mark shadows. Now the shadow still isn't there, but that's because we need to turn on one more setting. So if we go to the world properties, we need to open up the settings tab, and then we need to open up the shadow tab and just check mark the shadow tab. And now you can clearly see the shadow from the HDRI sunlight. So I hope you found the video helpful, and thank you for watching.